You, like any successful business owner, need to experience a retreat where you step away from the day-to-day activities of your business and, most importantly, focus on the vision, the purpose of your company existing. And for that reason, I'm inviting you to attend this retreat on May 3rd and 4th, where we're going to experience a whole new frontier for your business and get greater clarity as to what it is you offer and do for your clients, so as to increase the revenue you're earning and, more importantly, the profit you are receiving for the works that you actually provide. Now, with regards to all of this, I want you to understand that on May 3rd and 4th, we have a retreat specifically dedicated to helping you expand your services, allowing you to more clearly engage and manifest with what it is you expect to accomplish. What are the services within accounting that you do, the revenue that you're generating from the things that you're marketing and selling, the profitability in which you're able to provide these services, and the value which your business becomes. All of these things are essential for you having a productive and happy business. Now, with that in mind, I want to also invite you to the pre-conference events. We're going to be meeting with a number of people on Saturday and Sunday, doing some pre-things to plan and prepare you for the Monday and Tuesday event. So join us if you can for the 4-day experience of the pre-conference as well as the conference. The biggest thing that I want you to understand is we need to work on both ourselves and our companies as business leaders to ensure the success of our companies. So I invite you to join me here at the Royal Creek Ranch, and with that, have an entire new experience as we go back to Rustic and see what we can do to experience a whole new frontier in our business. Take care, have a great day, and always remember this: if it's about accounting, it is universal.